Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make icing. For this icing, I use water, mint leaves to garnish, fresh lemons, sugar, and black tea. Combine an equal amount of sugar and water and let it simmer over a medium fire until the sugar dissolves. When the sugar has dissolved completely, remove it from the stove and let it cool down. The next step is to brew the tea. I use regular loose black tea, but you can of course use other teas such as green tea or rooibos. While the tea is cooling down, juice the lemons. By now the tea has cooled down completely, so I am adding in the lemon juice and the simple syrup. Mix it and there you have your icing. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.